In today's tutorial, we'll be learning how to design a social media flyer, a simple social media flyer. So I have this flyer in my storage. Let me show you. So here is the design. I will show you guys how to design this simple social media flyer. I will show you how I was able to design this simple social media flyer. First thing, you just have to change my background to green. Change your background to green. Let's pick the color and change it to green. Next thing, we are going to import our resources for this design. Here is the model I use for this design. So also, what other resource do we use for this design? Okay, let's bring in the background we use for the design, because we use the background in order to make that design to look that way. Here is the background I used. Here was the background I used here. This background. Okay, so I cropped it. I took a part of it, then stretched it. Take it to back. Then change the color of this to green. From your hue, adjust it. If you want to get a green shade, then go to your erase color to try to blend it to the background. Do you see? You try to blend it to the background. Increase the tolerance to 70. Then the smooth edge, you can leave it at 0. Then once you are done, then bring in your logo, the logo of the brand. Here is the brand logo. So we place it here. The name of the brand is Bed Pro 360. You lock it. Then says their key caption says Bet Smart. Be smart. Says Bet Smart, stay in control. Bet Smart. Let's give it a font. Let's use the font Poppins. Let's use Poppins in gold. Bet Smart. Then copy this and then write stay in control. That is Bet Smart, stay in control. Then we are going to change the color to yellow. Let's pick the yellow from the logo. Bet Smart, stay in control. Close up the gap between the lettering by using your line spacing. Aligning the text. Next thing to do is bring in the man's image, the model we use for this design. Place him here. Can increase him a little. So then place him here. Then lock it. Remember, there is a subtext on this design. We now impute the text. I already copied the text. The text is enjoy the true responsibility. And now you choose the font Poppins medium for it. Then reduce it a little. Then all this, you can select all of them together and move them a little bit. Bring it down a little bit, lock it. Then click on your brush to go to draw. Click on draw, then select white. Then reduce your pen size to 12. Then make a sketch like this. Then reduce it this way. Then bring it under this. So that is it. Then can lock. Then next thing is the shape. You bring in your shape. Then take the radius to 12. I usually like giving my rectangle radius. You can choose radius of 12, that's the highest I usually use, or a radius of minimum 5. Then place it here. Once you place it here, then you can duplicate it. Then this one, change the color to dark green. Then bring this white one and place it half of it, a little half of it. Then lock the two. Next thing, let's bring in the location, the website icon and the Instagram icon that we're going to use for the design. Go to your folder. I'm going to be dropping the resources used for this design in the description. So here is the Instagram icon. All the resources I use for this design will be available in the description box. So just place the Instagram icon. Let's import a website icon. So here is the website icon. You just have to use your crop and select it. Just select the website icon, then bring it here. Change the color to color green. Then place the website icon above the Instagram icon. Then position it very well. The Instagram icon, you can increase it, decrease it a little bit. Impute their website, www.bedpro360.com. Impute their website. Change the color of the text to green. Then use the font Poppins medium. Decrease it a little. Impute their Instagram handle, bedpro360. Then impute their slogan. Their slogan says bet like a pro. We're going to change the font of this one to make it stand out, to pop in semi bold. Then choose the color red, then increase it a little bit, then check mark. Just make sure that once you are done with this design now, the only thing we need to do is just decrease the sizes of the text and make sure everything is well balanced and well aligned. That's it. Whenever you are done with your design, adjust everything to make sure everything is well aligned. Then that is all for this social media design tutorial. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video.